What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your ugly looking orange reflectors with some nice black ones. And you don't have to go with black, you can find some that match your car color, but I chose black because I'm going for the black on white look on my F30. I will be adding black wheels and front lip to go with the other black trim pieces. But anyway, I have Amazon affiliate links for everything you need in the video description. The kit comes with the reflectors and double-sided tape. You will also need an 8mm socket, a heat gun, some Goo Gone or rubbing alcohol, and a microfiber towel. Start by turning the wheel all the way inward. Then remove these 3 bolts to get access behind the reflector. My F30 has front cameras, which I'm just going to cover while I do the job. The next step is to turn your heat gun to lower medium heat and go up and down until you feel that the reflector is slightly warmed up. The point of this is to warm the adhesive enough to push the reflector out. After it's warm, you can push the top of the reflector until it starts to pop out and then slowly remove the rest of it. Now grab your microfiber towel and either Goo Gone or rubbing alcohol and just use this to clean the excess adhesive off. After this, peel the wrapper off your reflector and peel one side of the tape off and just stick it on. From here you can test fit it if you want. If everything looks good, then peel the red cover off the tape and just stick it in where the old reflector was. And that is it. Looks so much better than those ugly orange ones that come with the car. Thanks for watching. Once again, I have the link in the description if you want to buy this. Give me a like and go check out some of my other F30 DIY videos if you found this one helpful.